I really like the race because it's fast. It was not a lot of carrying, so that made it much easier, yes. This summer was all about working out, so yeah, I love the result.
Tekma je bila super, itak grad, gor, vse svetovno. Tudi težka ni bila glih, ker ni bilo visinskih razlike. Lepa tekma.
I really like the track. Ljubljana is a very beautiful city. I will definitely come back because I really like the organization and the city.
Dež ni pokvaril vzdušja, vsaj meni ne. Je bilo toplo, tako da če je toplo, pa si mokar, itak ni neke ful velike razlike. Pa lepo je bilo, ker tlele na koncu, ko sem delala burpee v luži, me je lepo oprali, pa nisem bila več blatna.
It was intense.
Yeah, that was really cool, really intense. The hardest part was the burpees for us.
The burpees.
Yeah.
We're coming back.
There's more to see.
Yeah, we did a 3-day hike a couple of days ago, and then quite some activities the whole week.
Rafting and
Rafting,
canyoning.
Super se počutam ob zmagi, že zelo dolgo nisem šla na Spartan Race, tako da je bilo ful fino iti malo tekmovati, pa zelo je bila razgibana, taka urbana, nekaj malo drugega mogoče, kakor ponavadi tečem, je bilo pa ful dobro.